Steps to the minking technique. Part at the parietal ridge and begin with a brochet technique. Continue around the head, adding more brochet pieces. Address the crown the same way as you do the side. Cover with the balay wrap. Then pancake around the face, taking diagonal sections and painting back and away from the hairline, making sure to follow the shape of your haircut. Use the balay wrap to create a cushion underneath. Now paint around the face, making sure your balayage goes back and away. Tease the top to create seamless highlights with no lines, making sure your faux hawk stands straight up. Using your lightener, paint the ends, creating a really beautiful balayage. Your minking is now done.